Alright, so I just fixed up this little TTR125 and let's give it a little test ride. After riding it for a little bit, I realized that this is not enough of a challenge for this bike. So I went camping into the mountains to really test this thing out. Not a bad area. Is it cold?
Nah, I'm joking. It's like slightly colder than over there. Probably.
There's right there.
Close it. Yeah.
So there was this one trail that I really wanted to go up on. It leads all the way to the top of a mountain, but the terrain there is super harsh, and if you break down there, I don't know how you're gonna get out. So before I went there, I jam picked a couple times and went on some single track little trails, you know, just to get the feel of the bike. You might notice that I keep looking to the sides, and that's because of the burnt tree stumps. Just trying to make sure it's not a black bear trying to eat me. Anyway, after fooling around for a little bit, I started hitting up the trail that goes deep into the mountains. Probably about 15 miles of trail that I went on. Took about an hour to go up it, and I was with my brother. He's on a 1995 Suzuki RM80. That thing's a beast.
Dude, I'm soaking wet. Oh, looks like you're gonna eat it. I almost did.
And this is the part of the trail that started to get really hard, especially for the Suzuki, because it doesn't really have bottom end power. So to go up a mountain, you have to be flooring it first gear to go up a simple slope. For me, it wasn't a easy ride too, you know. I may have the low end power, but my suspension is trash. You know, I'm a pretty big boy, and I was pretty much bottomed out the whole way. Maybe I just need to lose some weight.
How are you supposed to go up that? No, I'm not making it. That's literally insane. Okay, actually. You're joking? Yeah. I thought this was in. No, this is the hardest part you gotta get past.
Wild forestation.
You guys have no idea how big these rocks are. Literally 1 by 1 by 1 foot in diameter. Some 2 feet. Look at that rock. That's huge.
We finally made it to the top of the mountain, and it was a little too peaceful up there, so we disturbed the peace just a little bit.
But they wasn't standing on that rock.
We then declared the mountain ours and became mountain men and started living up there. Just kidding, we went down after like a couple minutes.
Fall down, you're dead. Perfect. Let's get the bike cleaned up.
Isn't it nice when dinner just appears right in front of you? What a luxury.
Oh, deer, look. Oh, yeah! Yeah, buddy! Oh, yeah! Woo! Look at that. Drove over a chipmunk. Oops. My bad. Look at that creek, that's sick. Alrighty guys, that was so fun.